Hello friends, today I'm fixing this fridge. The problem with this fridge is it's a PC port. Someone tried to fix it, but he just took the PC port. Now the customer said he needs a fridge. Now the fridge is working. I'm going to show you what did I do. As you can see here, I grilled here. I opened a hole because I don't have a PC port. The PC port, someone took it. So also, as you can see here, there was a PC port was behind this fridge. Also, everything, as you can see, there's a schematic of a PC port diagram, but now I just replaced with the thermostat. But now the fridge is working perfect. Sometimes if the PC port cannot find it, you can also use the thermostat. Your fridge is going to work like I did. So now I'm waiting it for to get freeze, then we'll send it to my customers, because I also did a research about how did someone fix it without a port. But yeah, I found someone who also did the same. Then just made just the way he did. Alright, thank you very much. Please subscribe and please comment, and also can ask me the questions. I will answer. Now the fridge is working. You can hear the sound. Let us plug it. This is a Samsung. Now it's working. Also, there was no cover here, and then I just put this thing, the what do you call this, the aluminum tape. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.